We are at Maplewell Hall School. It's a special school based in Woodhouse Eaves. We cater for many different disabilities. We reached out to Apollo Cloud for a new phone system because the system that we had, it was ancient. It was an NEC system and it had gone past its day. It was tired looking, it didn't really work properly. The phone system is our life here. We need to have a phone system working. Found Apollo Cloud, they was amazing.
The main reason we chose Apollo Cloud was the ComsX side of things. So I could get my mobile phone out, walk around any of the site, work from home anywhere and always get a call. We can see the directory list, every extension number in the sites on it. It's a massive change, like we're spending less time looking at the phone system while we can focus on other things.
The phone system's been in for just over a year now and it's worked flawlessly. We've just had a new bit of kit installed, a panic button. Should it get pressed, it will notify various users to the system that there's something happening that shouldn't be happening on site.
Warning. Emergency button pressed in reception. Warning.
Most companies want to get in there, do the job, get paid, get out and move on to the next one. Whereas Apollo, they just wanted to help wherever they can, so which is really nice. Comparing them to other companies, there was just winning on every level.